अरे चुप हो जा बाबा, चुप हो जा। खाना नहीं खा के मैं नहीं छोड़ूंगी। चलो खाना खा लो। आ करो, आ करो। Children, today we will discuss. I have written here. You can see here reasons for Sipai Mutiny. So Sipai Mutiny is a big historical event. You should know that. So before going through it, I have just pointed some points, so you can go through it. So first point was religious reason. Actually, you all know, like when British East India Company came to our India, they captured our India. So basically, they wanted to establish their own rule. So for that, when the bullet basically was made of cow and pig fat, and that is the big big sentimental issue for all Hindu and Muslims, for all religion. They did not say it, but when everyone knew about it, then what happened? All the Sipais got started revolt. So number 2 point is high taxes. Increase the tax amount, which was very difficult for the Indians to pay. Because so number 3 point is doctrine of lapse. It's very important. Note down and underline it, star marks, because it's very important what is doctrine lapse. And in your short question also, it can come very nicely. It's very important question. What is doctrine of lapse? What happens? In India, you know that in previous time, male king only ruled the state. But when the British came to our India, they told that if the male king is hired, then with the result of the male hire, dynasty will go to British East India Company. So they would annex and capture that. So this is the another big point for doctrine of lapse. This is the policy basically, doctrine of lapse. For that, and all Indians got very much angry and they started revolt. So now, oh just a minute, I have call. हेलो।
हाँ सुनो बहू, तुम्हारे बच्चे का तबीयत खराब है, बुखार है।
कब से है? ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, हाँ ठीक है, मैं आ रही हूँ। हाँ ठीक है, ओके। सॉरी चिल्ड्रन, actually I have to leave now because I have to leave the class. I have some emergency. So next class I'll complete all the points. So till then you just go through all the points and read by own. So for today's class is over. I'll see you soon.
अरे भगवान, बुखार क्यों कम नहीं हो रहा है?
देखा, आ करो।
कि बाबा 102, अभी मैं क्या करूँ? हाँ एक काम करती हूँ, थोड़ा सा क्रोसिन दे देती हूँ, जल पट्टी दे देती हूँ। हाँ क्रोसिन खा ले। हाँ, काम होने में थोड़ा टाइम लगता है ना बेटा। हाँ चिंता नहीं करो बेटा, सब ठीक हो जाएगा। हाँ तुम सो जाओ, इधर सो जाओ, रेस्ट करो। मैं थोड़ा जल पट्टी लेके आती हूँ, ठीक है? सो आती हूँ, मैं आती हूँ, 2 मिनट। हाँ क्या चाहिए?
पैसा चाहिए।
ये लो, अच्छा करके खाना। हाँ मौज मस्ती करना, एंजॉय करना, ठीक है बेटा?
Hello ma'am, namaste. This is Alakparna, Sampurna's mother. See Mrs. Alakparna, she is not doing anything in our class. She is making noise here and there and making some mysterious things, what I don't know actually. And she is not at all concentrating on the studies. She does not have any fear. All the time, she is in the music class, See, we have lots more students. In each class, we have 30 students and moreover 45.
Okay, ma'am.
So it's very difficult to manage your child. If in this way she will do, how will promote her? Tell me.
Understood everything about whatever you are saying, but the ma'am, in our world, everyone is unique. All the children is different, na? So that is why our society is universal, unique. So I think you should give little opportunity to her, ma'am. All children won't follow the same path, na ma'am? Like engineering or doctor or maybe teacher. So she actually, ma'am, she has a passion in music. She only loves music.
See, music can't give any future, broad future to her, no.
Anyways, we are not focusing on the studies, ma'am. We are just focusing whatever she likes actually. And she is very much brainy, ma'am. Yeah, with little effort only she can get more marks.
Your child is brainy, everything I'm understanding. But she should be equal like others, no? If she is doing some mischievous job, then other also getting inspired, no? No, Mrs. Alakpanna, I understood every part of your things.
Uniqueness is the best practice, I think so. We should appreciate it.
Is what will happen? Normal clerical job also she won't get. That is my concern. If she does not get any job, then how future will be? Okay, Mrs. Alakpanna, I understood your problem. Okay, I'll discuss with other my teachers and I'll let you know. Okay, I have another meeting. Anything else, ma'am, you want to share with us?
Little support is very much needed, ma'am.
Oh, yeah, sure, ma'am. Namaste, ma'am.
Ma'am, thanks a lot.
मुझे ना बहुत टेंशन हो रहा है. क्या कहा प्रिंसिपल मैम ने?
अरे कुछ नहीं बेटा, तेरे बारे में प्रिंसिपल मैम अच्छा बातें कर रही थी. हाँ, बोल रही थी कितना अच्छा बच्चे है. हाँ, हमारा स्कूल का प्राउड है.
सचमुच प्रिंसिपल मैम ने मेरे बारे में इतना अच्छा बोला.
तू चिंता मत कर, तू अच्छे से पढ़ाई लिखाई कर. हाँ, और नीचे डिग्री से गाना गा. मुझे भी गाना गाने का बहुत मन था. हाँ, मेरा पापा ने ना करने नहीं दिया. ये चिल बेटा, कुछ नहीं होगा, मम्मी है ना तेरे साथ.
अब बेटा कैसी है? अमेरिका में कैसा है सब कुछ? नहीं, मैं अच्छी हूँ, तू चिंता मत कर. हाँ, उधर नौकरी अच्छा है ना, सैलरी भी अच्छा है ना? हाँ, मैं आऊँगी. अभी सर्दी का मौसम है ना, इसलिए सांस का थोड़ा तबीयत बहुत खराब है. हाँ, नहीं, आने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. तेरा उधर कैरियर है, अभी नौकरी ज्वाइन किया. अगर अभी चले आएगी तो तेरा नौकरी का कोई खराब हो सकता है. ठीक है, धीरे से आना. हाँ, जल्दबाजी मत करना. तुमने एक बार भी बताया नहीं मुझे आने के लिए.
तुझे सब है पता